Hi, this is Abhimanyu from AI Library. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make your articles public, hide the articles by making them private, and how to pin your articles. Once you've logged into your AI Library platform and you've clicked your agent, simply go to the navigation menu bar on the left and click on Content. Here, if you access the public page right now, you can see that the article Unleash Creativity, Harness the Power of Multiple Prompting Techniques is not available. As soon as I click on this, it is now made public from private. Now, when I visit the public page, we will see the article. If I want to make it private, I simply click on public and now it has changed to private. When refreshing the public page, now we won't see the article. Let's say I want to pin this. WhatsApp revolutionizes AI integration and sales. And then after that, I want to pin, let's say, how AI is transforming customer service across industries. I've pinned these two articles and I've selected first and second number as per my priority. Once I go to the public page, you will see this article as first and then how AI is transforming customer service across industries as the second article. You can always change their number and you can always unpin them. There you go.